Hey guys, it's your boy Chippin, and y'all know what time it is. So I'm in Ghana, Africa, and I'm on my way to one of my favorite, or should I say one of my top subscribers of this channel, and she is gonna cook. Her name is Mavis, and she has a shop in Abeka, which is around La Paz and all that. Yeah. So hope you all enjoy this video, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go get cooking.
I'm Mavis.
I'm Mavis. And everything.
Prepare yam.
And Kobe.
And Kobe.
Abomu.
With egg. And pepper.
Kobe no okay, Kobe nini.
Yes, this is the Kobe.
And then with the eggs, boiled eggs.
I have my canned tuna.
Okay.
Pepper.
And the
tomatoes.
Yeah.
So
and onions too.
My yam is here. Watch me whilst I do my best in my garden. This is my water.
So you're gonna put the water on fire.
Okay. So you put your water on fire.
So what is the water going to do? To boil the yam? Oh, okay.
Now.
So we are coming to the yam, right?
Yeah.
So you're gonna peel the yam and put it on.
You cut
put it in the water.
Yam into 2 pieces.
Oh, okay.
Then you peel it.
So she's peeling the yam and she's gonna cut it into
yes,
bite sizes and put it in the water to cook.
The yam, it is the sizes you want. This is the yam. You wash them. So you have to wash them twice.
Oh, okay. So she's washing it twice.
Yes.
To make sure it's super clean before it goes into the boiling water. She's washing her peppers and all the other vegetables.
Yes. Then you add them
to the yam.
Yes. Salt it. So you check if they remove it. If they don't, you remove them.
Oh, okay. So
Yes.
The Kobe, that is a salted tilapia. It's very salty and has a lot of salt in it. So she wants you to remove those salt.
Remove this side.
She's taking out the fins of the fish.
And you wash them.
So after washing, she puts the Kobe
Then you put a little
on the yam.
amount of salt.
Oh, you add salt to the yam.
You add a little amount of salt.
Oh, okay. So here the eggs.
Yes.
She's washing them too, and she's gonna add it to
And you add.
to cook.
How many minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay. So 10 minutes later, we take the Kobe from the fire.
She's taking the Kobe out.
Yes.
so it will not break apart.
Then you cover it. Wash your tomatoes.
So we're about to start with our vegetables.
Onion.
That is the onion, tomato, and then we still have some peppers coming.
You cut them into pieces. Then you add your tomatoes.
So she's taking out the peppers
Yes.
and adding them to the earthenware. So now it's time to grind our stuff.
You add a little salt to
She's
it.
adding some salt.
Salt. Yes. Now it's ready, so you move it from the fire.
Okay, so our yam is done.
Yup.
The yam is all done. She's
Yes.
gonna take it off
Then you take
and pour the water out.
Water from it. Remove the egg.
And she's putting them in the water so to make it easier to peel.
Add your egg.
So now it's time for plating.
Yes. You add your Kobe. Then you add your tuna.
At this stage, we are all set. The food is done.
Remove rice.
Thank you, Mavis. Now we're about to eat.
Now, this yam and Ghana pepper with Kobe and egg. Food is ready as Chippin YouTube channel.
Allah.
If you want to enjoy more food and different kind of food, please,
Subscribe.
please follow us on YouTube Chippin channel.
Thank you, Mavis. Thank you.
I'm Mavis. Abeka, you can locate me at Abeka Market,
That,
opposite Star Filling Station.
so she has a shop. She sells Pampers, lotions, and a whole lot of kid stuff. All right. So if you ever need something, so she's at Abeka, opposite the Star Oil.
Yes. And I'm also a follower of Chippin YouTube channel. This is my food today, my favorite food.
So guys, as you can see, we are done with our food and we're enjoying it. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, baby.
good job.
Yes, got it.